1 plus 1.
2,
2 plus 2.
4,
4 plus 4.
6,
You're wrong.
6.
4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, you don't know.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, 256 plus 256.
It's 500
What?
what?
500 what? 512.
Ay, 512.
Yeah.
514.
Yeah, we're video.
My cellphone will be
Broke.
broken.
Yeah. Infinity plus
I have no cellphone
infinity.
na.
Because to infinity.
Infinity is the last number in
In,
mathematics, you know.
I don't know.
Infinity plus infinity
Equals
equals
to infinity.
infinity because there's no number because there's no number from infinity in next there's nothing na. Yeah,
There's nothing na.
you know, it's right.
Okay.
He drew this, that one, this one.
It's so nice.
Yeah. Which one is better? This is mine and this is Sergio. Which one is better?
It's
I'm the
Sergio.
YouTuber from here. Please like and subscribe, okay? Now it's 142. Ano? Oh, let's solve Rubik's Cube,
Okay.
Okay, you solve it. From 30 moves, 3 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, finish na.
Oh, finish na.
Oh, you did.
Oh, I did it.
Okay. Which drawing is better? Comment in there, okay? Comment. Bye-bye!